Alright everybody, this is Chuck with B4. This is a demonstration of the ES last Friday. We're going to go ahead, let this run here. Hey guys, we appreciate you supporting our channel. If you could, please press that like button and subscribe. Thank you very much. Looking at our bull-bear lines right there. We want to see price get outside of our bull-bear zone. Got our auto trend lines there drawing right there. Hey guys, we got a special sales announcement at the end of the session here. Please watch to the end, it helps our ratings. Let's see what price is going to do here. It's squeezing in here with that triangle. Our trend background direction change right there. Got a little bit of volume starting to come in. You can see that on the bottom with our cumulative delta volume bars there. Got an edge signal. Wait here, see what we get. Alright, I do have this sped up here in the demo. We're going to go ahead and arm it. Got a whole cluster right there happening. We're going to go ahead and arm this. Yeah, we need to go ahead and do that now. There's an edge signal. Battleground area right there. Okay, it gets us in. Got some volume coming in on that bearish move. I'm going to pull that down. I don't want to quite do a stop yet. Still want to see what it's going to do in this zone. Let's see if that holds it. Trend line right there. Alright, that's a bearish exhaustion signal we got, and a small whale bear came in. Should be able to go ahead and pull that in and guard. There we go, it did it automatically. I was trying to. Let's see. Alright, there we go. Our auto trail strategy kicking in there. And I took one of my profit targets. I took one of my stop losses rather. I'm just going to go ahead and pull that down a little bit. It's running, we're sped up here. I don't want it to jump down there and then stop me out too quick. I need to pull my stop on down here. Got that contrarian signal there working against me. I'm going to pull that down. If it comes up, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and drop it there. I won't let it take me for any more than that. Go ahead and pull that down a little. We're wedging in there again. Our auto trend lines again kicking in. Very nice feature here. We got the bearish background still. Alright, there is a I'll pull my targets here. It's looking pretty strong still to the bearish side there, but I'm gonna guard behind some of these stacked imbalances. Guys, this is sped up and recorded in post. I got a little room there so I could not be so tight with the stop loss. That is firing against me right there, but there's just so much bearish activity here. I'm waiting here to pull it and drop it if I need to. Those stacked imbalances there are still holding. Okay, I'm getting close on that trend line right there. Looking a little better. Alright. We do have those stacked, those edge signals. There we go. I'm just going to guard behind that wick. Price is consolidated right there. Starting to break down a little. There's another contrarian signal. Might give it just a little bit of room there. I'm looking at that last leg right there. Usually a pullback on a bearish move is about half of the leg. And that was about 3/4 of that bearish leg right there. So it's kind of why I'm giving it some room on this. Let's see if it's going to do a double bottom here, or if it's going to go ahead and push through. Alright, come here. That could be a reversal there, a trap. I'll give it to that line right there, the stacked imbalance to the left. Hopefully that's going to act as resistance. Yeah, we're gonna drop it right here. Not gonna let it take anymore from me. I'll let it kill the trade there. Alright. Bears won out there on that candle. You see that with the bearish exhaustion signal. Let's see if it continues. Okay, that took me out. 32.08. Alright guys, we got our CoPilot Fall Fest sale going on till November 6th. Please be sure to check out the discount code below. Again, we're going to offer a one-time discount for our monthly purchase of CoPilot. 40% off, guys. Don't miss your opportunity to check out CoPilot with our Fall Fest discount code. It's in the link below. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you very much. Y'all have a great day.